Hey everybody, I am growing microgreens in my new kitchen. And a few days ago, I set up a Nordamark microgreens grow kit. Take a look. Now, for the first time since I've been gardening, I have to do what I've been saying about growing in a small space. I mean, I thought I was growing in a small space before, but this apartment has no windowsill, no bay window, no way to hang plants out the window, and I'm on the second floor. Now, this is from, I want to say Sweden. It is a grow system for sprouts. You seed these sprouts without soil, which is very convenient if you're in an apartment and you have to worry about mess. All right, now we're gonna open this. Let's see, it says this is sent by Vasagatan in Göteborg, Fredrik Edeland, Ventilagen Skavodi. Okay, in Sweden. Thank you. It says Sweden. And it's called a growing kit. Okay, this is very easy, look. Packs very simply in the box, fits exactly the size of their shipping box. It looks like there's, okay. Okay, this is everything. This is everything that is in the box. Box is empty. Hoping there are some instructions. This is the growing medium. Instructions and seeds. Thank you very much. Okay, here are the growing instructions, and it's in a nice plastic bag so it will stay nice. Growing instruction for Nord Channel. So this product is called Nord Channel. It talks about growing microgreens, which are so nutritious for you and is something that you can grow in a small apartment. The founder of Nordamark started right where you are now, at home by the kitchen table. This is not going to be my kitchen table. Okay, so I am glancing through these instructions, and it says start by cleaning the channels. The cleaner the channels are, the higher chance for success. By the way, the growing medium is hemp fiber. So there are 4 mats and in the box, and I have mixed radish seed. So this is mixed radish seed. I asked him to send me organic. It does not say organic on the label. They may have a different standard over in Sweden. First wash the channels, which I'm going to do, and then you have to dip these hemp pads into water. I'm going to set those over here while I wash these channels. You don't want to use any toxic cleaner for something you're going to be growing food in. How do these come out? Like that, okay? Like that. These end caps just slide right on. They're not waterproof, so you're not supposed to leave too much water in there. I have my non-toxic pad that I picked up at my food co-op. I'm just going to wash these channels really well. Get all the dust off. This is literally the first time I've used the water in this apartment. Okay. And I always filter my LADWP tap water before I drink it or use it for cooking. And since I am actually growing sprouts, I am going to be using filtered water as well. Okay, Put the plastic end caps on one channel. I can do that. Like so. And like it says dip the hemp fiber into the bowl of water. And it's kind of rough on one side with ridges, so I'm assuming the ridges go on the ridges. But first we're going to dip it in the water and get it wet. Okay, it is totally soaked. And you should do this near your sink so that you can let it drip. Well, it's still dripping. If you can see that. It's still dripping. Okay. You're supposed to put it on the channel with the end parts that are on and smooth it out. You're supposed to use a cup to spread the seeds. Do I have a cup? No, I don't. So I'm going to have to spread them as evenly as possible. Wow. That did not open. All right, I do not have a cup or a bowl, so I'm going to do this carefully. It says to spread them out as evenly as possible. And I don't know if you're supposed to use them all. It doesn't say. That seems like a lot to me. But maybe it's supposed to be really. It doesn't really say. It needs to say that. Okay. These are radish seeds. You know, we all love radish sprouts. It says to wet these seeds from the top with a spray bottle of water. It's pretty wet to me. Okay, it says put the last channel on top of the seeds. And there's a groove that fits right in there. You can see it fits right there. Okay. That's all we do for 2 to 3 days. I came over after about 2 to 3 days per instruction and lifted the top channel, and this is what I found. I sprayed them with the water. When I came back, I turned the channel over to give the sprouts a chance to rise up a ½ inch. And once they get to a certain height, they start pushing the top channel up, and you know you've got sprouts, and at that point, you take off the top. You can find the Nordamark website in the comment pinned to top underneath this video. Now let's see what's inside. It looks like the top channel is being pushed up a little bit. And this is what we have inside. Wow. Now, what we do is give our sprouts a good spray. This is filtered water, by the way. And we can even pour water in the channel. To water your sprouts, you pour in a little water on each end and you move it back and forth. What you don't want is for them to be standing in water. This can drip out on the bottom so that you can drain it out. But aren't those beautiful? Wow. I think I could have put less seeds. I used a lot of seeds. Okay, we're just gonna put these in the windowsill. Okay, I just have to try these. Those are so, oh, hot. Wow. They taste just like radish, but it's a leaf. It's the leaf, not the root. Okay. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Late Bloomer Show. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.